How to sign up for Battle.net account. So first of all, you will need to type in Battlenet into Google, or you can just go directly to the Blizzard website, so blizzard.com there. So once you're on this web page right here, blizzard.com, then you need to go to the top right hand corner where it says My Account, click on the drop down, then click on Create a Free Account. Once you're there, it will take you to the sign up page where you need to put in your information. First of all, your date of birth and where you're from. Make sure you get these correct, and make sure you're over 18 if you want to play certain types of games as well. Keep that in mind. Click continue on that, but also throughout this I'm not going to be showing all my details like my first name, last name, etc. I'm going to block that on the screen because obviously I don't want to share my personal details, etc. But just right now I'm typing in my name, first name and last name, and I'm going to be typing in my email, which again I'm not going to show, but it's just going to be a pretty simple process. You just put in your email. You don't actually have to put in your phone number here as well if you don't want to, but if you do want to verify the account, you will need to put your number in as well, so do keep that in mind too. And then you'll need to tick the I have reviewed and understand box there if you want to continue forward. Once that's done, you need to put in the password you're using for your account. Make sure you remember that, as you obviously need to sign in future with this. Then it's going to ask you to create your battle tag. You can change this after you've done it as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in a username here. And then once that's done, click continue, and that's going to be the end of the process, so that you're all set once that's done. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful how-tos.